Yes. Try to kill this one. For sure. Uh-huh. Yo. Uh-huh. Let go. Try is the best competitive. When I smoke my weed, I think my mind is gone, so I just drift away. In my seat of the Caprice is where I keep my AK and blow your top off, and my bullets burn your mouth like some hot sauce. My niggas don't listen. My chopper bullets like rider snakes when they be spitting. My words are like the truth, and it's just so vicious. I got a lot of hopes and dreams and ambitions. I'm like an XZ producer. Let me introduce you to my 6-shooter. I fire 6 rounds. Now that's no joke. You were dead as like a clown. You was nothing but you believe me or not. I got 6 shots and burning off your lip. Top off, pop off the bottle off the hot sauce. Yeah, true, man. I say believe me or not, I got some guns, and if you don't believe me, but they spit a couple shots. But I need some ammunition, I'll shoot you, say you fell in the water with the shots while you was fishing. I'm done, so I'm about to pop off and pop a spray in the kitchen. That's just me, and I spit like it's nothing. And follow all the posts. I'm the poetry power, cleaning up the block. Street notes, try to give you them killer shots. Take twisted like some dreadlocks. When that nigga try to come through, we don't even knock. And just play the blast, and we blast them through your doors. That's how we do it, nigga. It's on the block. It's Frank Town, TROT, try. Real talk. No game. Yeah, I let it jerk off. I won't come too fast just to make million niggas come and try home catch a killer. I'm fresh like I was in the coffin. Fuck probation and fuck Mr. Boston. They say our life is too short. It's just all a dream, but I ain't even sleep. Step you in the chest, then blade went too deep. I'm foster home from place to place I had to go. I got a deep fire on my waist. I can fry your face. I got some knives on the split. I got some nice kicks. I spit verses that is just so sick. My vocal cords, and they vibrate like a joystick. My girl is hungry, so I feed her this dick. Yeah. Fuck this shit, man. The punchline that I spit hit harder than Street Fighter kicks. I ain't John Russo, fuck clap back. I'll pull your cap back. I ain't a crocodile, but my bullets snap back. Switch up new with the J's, with the fitted cap. I stay strapped, dressed in all black. I'ma take your girl, be her midnight snack. Under the sheets is where I attack and get more head than the wave cat.